Sa lahat ng mga press na nakasama ko rin from way back since 1991, nandito sila, kompleto sila dyan. Hanggang ngayon, support and love ay binibigay pa rin kay Papa and to you. Nandito sila to see you too. And at the same time, siyempre, ang Peralejo family nandito. Mami Peralejo, and of course, Heaven, and with a dear heart friend, Marco. Thank you so much, guys, and maraming salamat for your valuable time for spending with us. And James, UMD, nandito rin. James, thank you so much. Thank you. And a lovely girl together with you. Maraming salamat. Miss De Mesa, thank you so much. And of course, ang Makuta, nandito. Thank you so much. The Moose Squad, nandito. Thank you so much. Hijack, thank you. Napakarami pong thank you sa Dumasal family, thank you so much. And of course, sa aking brother, Natu, and family, Claire, and then Ray, and at the same time, Tyler, thank you so much. And Chantal, of course, very much, thank you so much for being with Jassley all the time. And may I pass the mic and para ikaw naman ang makapag-represent sa
teachers.
Thank you po to the teachers who were able to come to the air. Appreciate and love all of you. Thank you so much.
And at the same time, syempre, we didn't have any kind of stress. We didn't feel any kind of stress because it was handled, all was handled thoroughly by Jabina and Jabina Garcia family. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Jabina and Patrick. Thank you so much. At sa speech mo kanina, tinamaan kami. Maraming salamat. But then one little thing, but it means so much to us. Maybe hindi siya nakarating dito, but you know what, Jassley? May isang tao na talagang doon ka sa kanyang palad lumaki. At wala akong ibang tinutukoy kundi si Teacher Eileen. Teacher Eileen gave you the knowledge, anak, and she harnessed your knowledge. It was because Teacher Eileen's endurance and then of course creativity with the studies that she gave to you. You were really harnessed to be like an intelligent person as you are as today. Kaya, anak, we owe it to Teacher Eileen, okay? Kaya sa lahat, Binoya family na nandito, sa lahat siyempre, at sa lahat ng mga amiga, and at the same time na kumare ng aking may bahay si Maylene, please, batiin mo rin sila ng thank you.
Thank you, FCS. Thank you. FCS na talaga sinabi ko.
Basically, marami po kami makakalimutan because all of you talaga ay napakaraming sumama sa amin dito, nagbigay ng inyong valuable time. But please, accept and kindly accept our heartful thanks dahil kayo po, you really made our day really bright and really happy.
Thank you so much, Sir Andrew. And now for Jassley's thank you message.
Hello everyone, good evening. First of all, I would just like to thank every single one of you for being here tonight. If you're here, it means you hold a special place in my life, and I couldn't imagine celebrating this milestone without you. Your presence, your love, your support, it all means the world to me. To be honest, it still feels surreal. I've been planning this nito in my head since I was 11 years old. I would dream about my pink fluffy dress, a grand ballroom, the music, the magic of it all. To my parents, I honestly don't even know where to begin. You've worked so hard to make my dream to come true. I know this night isn't just about me. It's about you giving me something you never had the chance to experience yourselves. Thank you for showing me what selflessness and unconditional love really looks like. To Tita Jabina, Tito Pat, and Baby Corinne, you guys made this happen. Your whole family has been such a blessing, helping with the organizing, coordinating, and making sure everything came together so beautifully. You supported not just the event, but me, and I'll never forget that. To Chantal, Nisi, and Sam, you three are truly my soul sisters. From picking out my dress to helping me choose pictures and all of the little details in between. You were with me every step of the way, but more than that, your energy, your joy, your hearts, they lift me up. You make me laugh, you keep me grounded, and you inspire me to be a better person every single day. To Fuzz, Prince, Juan, Joshua, Colin, JP, and Matthew. Thank you for always being so real. You've been my solid ground and my source of non-stop laughter. I know I can always count on you. And that's a rare kind of friendship I'll never take for granted. Thank you, Fuzz. And above all, I want to thank God for blessing me with this life, with the people I love, and with the chance to celebrate this moment surrounded by nothing but warmth and happiness. When I think about what this night represents, I feel overwhelmed with gratitude. Realizing what my family has done, what they've worked so hard to give me, I see just how deeply blessed I am. Thank you all for being part of this night, for making it even more beautiful than I ever imagined. I'll remember this forever. Thank you, everyone.
Maraming salamat, Jassley. Thank you so much.